Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and this is our poetry predictions video for 2024. Now before we get started, don't forget to press the subscribe button, like and share with your friends, as it does help our channel grow, and I'd like to thank you all for your continuous support. Now let's have a look at the potential questions that may arise in your exams in May 2024. So as you can see, these are the following questions that we have predicted that may come up in your exams in May 2024. The first question is the following. Compare how the power or importance of identity is presented in Checking Out Me History and One Other Poem. That's the first question. The second potential question is compare how the impact of conflict is presented in Poppies and One Other Poem. And the last and final question is compare how the power of nature suffering is presented in Exposure and One Other Poem. And yes, many of you have asked and asked and asked again and again, will tissue come up? Now the reality is we are not sure. Has it come up previously? No. But is there a possibility that it may come up in the future or even this year? The answer is that, in fact, we never know, right? And who knows, it could actually appear this year in 2024. So it's important that you prepare for tissue and all the other questions. Now, if you would like extra support and you'd like to get that extra boost in preparation for your exams, you should consider joining our amazing online tuition classes. And if you are interested, do contact us via email, which is easyeducationlondon@gmail.com. Why join us? We have expert and experienced qualified tutors who will help, guide and support you through your academic journey. We go through model answers. We go through constructive feedback. We work on time management. We give you predicted papers. And we go through the entire exam so that you have no doubts or anything you're unsure about can be answered during those sessions. So if you are interested, do consider joining today as our space is extremely limited. Now back to the video, looking at the questions provided. So we've got Checking Out Me History, Poppies and Exposure, and potentially tissue as well. So it's important that you don't solely rely on these questions, but also you revise all the other poems, okay? So from War Photographer to Kamikaze, to Ozymandias, to the Emigre, to Storm on the Island, etc. So if you are, unsure where do I start, you need to start from the beginning, start with Ozymandias, because you'll realize as you go through the poems that there are similarities, there are differences, but you need to be able to identify that and see how you can make a link. And that will link to your unseen poetry as well. So my recommendation is don't solely rely on these predictions, and make sure you go through the key quotes and the key events and the key themes, throughout the 15 poems. And that's a skill that you want to develop now. And you will use that for your unseen poetry, because those same skills you'll apply for your unseen poetry. And if you are interested in seeing any model answers for unseen poetry or how to answer an unseen poetry exam question, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will try my best to get that ready in preparation for your exams. And we are going to be going on YouTube Live this year during the exam season, so do ensure that you're subscribed, because we have plenty more exciting videos, including cheat sheets, revision guides, PowerPoints, things like that on the way. And do share it with your friends, as it does help us grow as well. Don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms at Easy Education London, where we have plenty of videos that will benefit your learning. And ultimately, remember, we are initially 2 weeks away, so it's important that you are well prepared for these exams. And that is it for this video. So thank you all for your support. And like I said, if you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section below. In the meantime, do go over our playlist, as we have plenty of videos. We've covered the entire GCSE English curriculum, so you can go through it in your free time, make notes, etc., and use that in preparation for your exams. So once again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share, as we have plenty more exciting videos on the way, and I shall see you very soon. Thank you.